Public housing in the United States is at risk.
Every person should have a clean, safe, affordable place to live.
Just because you're low income, you're human. You deserve to be treated like everybody else.
It's going to take a multifaceted approach to solve this affordable housing crisis. One of those components is preservation.
Gaston Place is 100 units of housing that serves low-income seniors and persons with disabilities. But it's a lot more than that, more than just an apartment complex. The residents have formed a community.
I mean, my residents, they're my family. I appreciate them, and I know they appreciate me.
Financing affordable housing is complicated. Partners like Bellwether, partners like Fannie make these deals doable.
The RAD program allowed borrowers to put debt on the properties. That was really big because it wasn't allowed before. And under the RAD program, they could get additional money to bring in and make much needed improvements.
The creation of new affordable housing units in this country has been stagnant over many years. Through the RAD program, this is one of the best ways to preserve and improve our existing public housing stock.
They took it from the ground up. I mean, everything was, you had nothing but studs. And they rebuilt it all back up. So there's no asbestos, there's no mold. You know, it's just wonderful.
We started with new walls, new paint, but then we got to redesign the kitchen. And we created a very modern, open concept, which the residents really liked.
Miss Landry was the cutest because she would walk down the sidewalk and she'd go check her unit. She'd say, I like that. I really like that. And when they started putting the appliances in, oh my God, they went crazy.
I like the new appliances in my kitchen with the microwave on my stove, something we never had before. It's exciting to me. And when I saw the wash and dryer, I said, oh my goodness. And I walked further back and I saw the walk-in shower, I said, oh, a dream come true.
We were also able to make improvements to the general community. So adding accessibility improvements, so it's easier for persons with disabilities to get around.
There has been a lot of amenities put in for the residents. We reworked our courtyard so they could sit out and enjoy each other's company.
I'm glad to have our community room back. We do different art projects each month, and I enjoy it.
By bringing these financing tools, we are able to improve the quality of life for these residents and create affordable housing that is really the fabric of our society. It's an investment in our communities that Fannie Mae wants to continue to make. We've now financed 10 million units and still going strong, want to do 10 million more.